Let me explain this to MKP people because it seems like they're overexcited. They don't know how to express their excitement. You can't praise Ibrahim Traore and not praise Julius Malema. You can't see Ibrahim Traore as a president and a clear leader and see Julius Malema as a sellout. Because Julius Malema and Ibrahim Traore, they are speaking one common language. So once you understand Ibrahim Traore, you must understand Julius Silo Malema. The thing with you are praising Ibrahim Traore over things that he achieved in 2 years. Those are things that Jacob Zuma failed to achieve in 9 full years. Jacob Zuma failed to achieve. In fact, in his 25 years of being in the mainstream politics as a leader in South Africa, 5 years as an MEC of KZN, 10 years as deputy president, and 9 years as the president, he failed to achieve all those things. He failed it. So please, if you are really politically literate, or you've got political literacy, you will understand what I'm talking about. Because now you're being seen as clowns, comrades. You look like clowns, serious. So please, in you praising Ibrahim Traore, do not bash Julius Malema. Because there is no way that you can bash Julius Malema and praise Ibrahim Traore. Because those two are speaking one common language. Africa must unite. Africa must be independent from Western colonialism and imperialism, which Jacob Zuma, by the way, failed to detach South Africa from. So please, wait. There's nothing politically mature about you. Your party on its own, it's politically immature. So we're done and dusted. And anyone who wants to argue, go and argue with your ancestors. Thank you.
Yewe nasihlama. Asibhayizi phela thina uMalema siyamazi. Njengoba singamlandeli nje uMalema ingoba siyamazi. uMalema uyi-flip flopper. uMalema ufika khuluma into namhlanje. Avuke ngakusasa ayishintsha lento akade ekhuluma namhlanje usekhuluma eopposite. Aphinda avuke ngakusasa useyishintshile usekhohlwe yonke into akade ekhuluma namhlanje nakusasa usekhuluma into ehlukile kunaleyo. Asikwazi ke thina ukulandela indavundavu insangu le ewuMalema, umuntu ohleze guquguquka nje, umuntu ohleze shintsha imiqondo ongamazi ukuthi umiphi. Kwayi wena umazi nje ukuthi umiphi. uMalema uyashintsha. Namhlanje uMalema usepraise uIbrahim Traore wase Burkina Faso. Uyakhumbula yini ngo2022 ukuthi uMalema lo owakhuluma kwabezindaba wathi yena uagainst ukuthatha kaIbrahim. Uzokhumbula phela ukuthi uIbrahim ungene esikhundleni ngaye u2022. Eqeda nje uIbrahim ukuthatha isikhundla, uMalema wakhuluma nayi video na awuyilalelela awuyizwele. Nayi video zizwele ukuthi wathini uMalema ngoIbrahim Traore.
We as the EFF condemn the military takeover of political power in different parts of African continent. Political power must exclusively be established through free, fair, transparent and democratic elections and not through the barrel of a gun. We call on all regional bodies and the African Union to always decisively suppress military takeover of political power in each and every country. The military takeover of Burkina Faso must be suppressed and the Mali must be forced to transit towards civilian political power as a matter of agency. We are aware that some of these military takeovers are instigated and funded by the colonial forces, particularly France, which continues to micromanage the politics and economies of the countries it colonized.
Angithembe ukuthi umzwile ukuthi wathini uMalema ngoIbrahim Traore, njengoba namhlanje esekushintsha konke lokho uTraore useyiqhawe manje, uTraore useyiqhawe leAfrika, usebumba iAfrika. Kodwa yena wayemelene noIbrahim Traore ngesikhathi uIbrahim ethatha ipresidency ngo-2022. Asize kule ndaba kaZuma. Sitwanyampuphu sesidom, uZuma akaze aphatha isikhundla kwi-ANC for 10 years or more. Iminyaka nje ayikazi ihlangane kwelishumi uZuma ephethe isikhundla. Sidom sesiphukuphuku. Ngo-1991 uZuma wayeyisekela likaNobhala Jikelele, the Deputy Secretary General we-ANC ngo-1991. Kuthe ngo-1994 sengena uMalema njalo sengena uMandela esihlalweni sokuba upresident, uZuma waba uchairperson general. Waba ugeneral chairperson we-ANC uJacob Zuma ngo-1994 ekade eyi-deputy secretary general from 1991. And then ngo-1994 wathatha lesikhundla sokuba ugeneral chairperson we-ANC. Ngo-1999 uZuma wathatha isikhundla sokuba udeputy president we-ANC, upresident kwaba uThabo Mbeki. uZuma waba udeputy president, isekela lika president ngo-1999 up until 2005. Ngo-2005 ilapho la uZuma aphuma khona kuleso sikhundla, kwavotwa uZuma wangena officially waba upresident weSouth Africa ngo-2005. Nokuthe ume ngabe sekuphela u5 years waphinde kwavotwa futhi uZuma waphinde wawina. Waphatha uZuma for 9 years, awuzange uhlangane u10 years. Manje Masimba amanike la wakhuluma wena mawuthi uZuma wahluleka kuphi uZuma, ngoba nayi imisebenzi ngena la emavidweni nami la ngezansi ubuka imisebenzi kaZuma ayenzile 9 years ewupresident, ubone ukuthi uZuma wenzani. Ayiphelele lemisebenzi enginilethele yona la. Kodwa la yehla nje kule video le ungene kwabanye amavideo ami la ngezansi. I think uzokweqa amavideo awu2 ebese ufika kule video le la khona imisebenzi kaZuma la ngiveza khona ubufakazi ama-video evidence emsebenzi kaZuma. Uyeke ukuzosangana la kuTikTok usijwayela amasimba. Angeke silandele thina lo mjikejo kaMalema, lamasimba kaMalema. Namhlanje ukhuluma lokhu, kusasa ukhuluma lokhu, utheni uthe azivule wathi uMalema ama-foreigners awahambe, wathi amaZimbabwe awahambe esayi-ANC Youth League, wathi amaZimbabwe awahambe abuyele eZimbabwe, ama-foreigners awahambe. Uthe jika uMalema waqala phansi eseyi-EFF wathi hayi uzokwenza i-open border policy, wonke amaZimbabwe wabuye eZe-South Africa ngoba eSouth Africa isekhaya. Walanda abantu wathi wonke ama-Afrika wazohlangana la eSouth Africa. Kusho uMalema ephenduka emazwini akhe ayekade washile ethi amaZimbabwe ahambe. uMalema ngeke simlandele ngoba uMalema uyisidwanyampuphu sesidomu, ukhuluma into aphinda ayiphikise. Yeka nje ukusijwayela amasimba nawe kade uyadakwa.
To Sahel region, revolutionary greetings, my brothers in Burkina Faso, Mali and Niger. Captain Ibrahim Traore, General Assimi Goïta and General Chiani from Revolutionary Movement of South Africa. We salute you, and in solidarity with you and the people of Sahel region. We would like to join you from South Africa. Your conviction to liberate the black child out of the clutches of the colonial regime is our mission as well. We appeal to you, my brothers, we need one Africa, and more importantly, one military power that will defend the black child globally and continentally. Black child has suffered the worst inhuman atrocities and brutality in the history of humanity. Today in Africa, the neo-colonialism continue the atrocities, and this time the crime has law, human rights, democracy, foreign investors, and so forth. To this day, black Africans are seen as inferior nation globally. We must unite and build our super state, the body that will be responsible for Africa's security and economic development. Africa still has a lot of dangerous puppets and collaborators while speaking like the true revolutionaries. They play double agent, and we must be careful of such people. In South Africa, there are many such individuals. They mislead the poor masses, at the same time pleases their handlers. My Sahel brothers, not everyone is innocent when they want to visit you. Please be aware that many of these politicians love their masters more than their own countrymen and countrywomen. I salute you, my captain, and my 2 generals. My wish is to bring my team to Sahel region for unity and cooperation. Africa must rise and reclaim its position on earth. Rise the mighty nation. Time is now. A luta continua.